No big deal, just swing across.
I can make it.
Doubt it. You've probably never been outside these walls, am I right?
I've been living in an orphanage with humans.
Ozzy speaks sign language, and she's a social media influencer.
What happened to her home? I will stop them. Ozzy! She lost her home and her family to terrible fires.
Sure. How about you just get the monkey to talk?
I am not monkey. I am orangutan. Can't! Do you know this place? My parents could be there.
This is gonna be fun.
You're the only one I know who knows the forest.
For now, at least.
This was my home. Green Czar is destroying our island. We have to stop it. I can tell the whole world what's happening.